going on, boys? Today is cleaning day. I am heading to Boost Logic. The motor's out, the trans is out, the rear end is out, everything's out. They're not going to be doing any work to my car today, I don't think. So I'm going to pick up a bunch of cleaning supplies and I'm going to clean the crap out of the engine bay to make that thing as sparkly as possible for when they put in the S54. So this should be good. I mean, I'm stoked to do it. I've been bugging these guys to let me come in and clean the car ever since they've had it. It's just something I want to do. I want to make that engine bay just sparkly. So, need to grab some supplies. Let's see here. Definitely need this. And I think I definitely need this. Don't need that. Okay. Then, where are my dirty micros? Thought I had a bunch of dirty micros. I'll bring that one. I'll bring that one. Oh yeah, there we go. I'll bring that one. Ooh, I'll just put them all in here. Come on. Okay, so we got micros, got simple green, got more simple green. All right, now what I'm gonna do is run and get some like toilet brush scrubbers, just to get in all the nooks and crannies. So I'll get some of those, and I think that should do it. Yeah, I think that should do it. I don't think I have to spray anything else on the car after I do simple green, so I won't bring anything else. Yeah, but I think that should do it. I might bring, no, we'll be good. All right, let's head to Boost Logic. All right, boys, just got to Boost Logic, and I'm going to probably switch to a GoPro so I can do some time lapses. So if the audio isn't quite as good, I apologize. I'm gonna try and make it as best as possible. But I'm gonna head in there and start cleaning on the E36 engine bay. Boys, I just got back from Boost Logic and everything went well. was able to clean most of the underside of the car. I used a lot of simple green, just like toilet scrubbing brushes, and just a ton of microfibers, and it all went really well. I was testing out a few different camera angles. I tested out a GoPro on my head, which I've been charging for a few days, but somehow it died. So I tested out a few different angles. I didn't get it all, but I did my best to clean and film it for you guys, and to just get as much content as possible. It was nice of them to allow me to come in and do that, because again, I was taking up a little bit of their shop time, kind of. They weren't having anything done to the car at that time, but yeah, I got basically all the engine bay, most of the underside, a lot of where the rear end will mount. I'm pretty happy with the amount I got done. Again, it's not necessary, but you know, it's just I've been working on the swap for so long. This is the only time I'm gonna have to really get in there and clean that with everything out. So wanted to do that. This afternoon, right about now, they should be welding in the R tabs, the rear trailing arm reinforcements. And it's good because one of those was actually cracked. And then I think after they weld those in, they might make some fuel lines and then probably get the rear end mounted in there. The rear end has the new bushings put in, and then it's like S54 time, and it's install, and next week it's running and getting it tuned. So lots of cool stuff, dudes. Smash that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I mean, we're just getting to the good stuff, so you don't want to miss what's coming up in the next few weeks. I appreciate all you guys watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.